Hey guys, Chris Branley here. I am coming to you from the incredible Miroir Castle here in South France. It's owned by Miles Copeland III and his wife Adriana Copeland. They have been amazing hosts and we've done some wonderful things, including painting the castle and all the areas around the castle. We've done some amazing excursions to Les Bordes, Brantôme, Ribérac, and the beautiful city of Périgueux. We've got our wonderful chefs, Chris and Sam, who have outdone themselves with some incredible food, morning, noon, and evening. And I would love for you to come on the next retreat. Just check it out on my website, www.chrisbranley.com.